here in the U Palace. Parang nasa Intramuros kami. We're in Intramuros. Vietnam version. You know. Yun eh. Diba? Let's go. Now, daming mga puno. Guys, welcome to my vlog. Solo vlogger ako ngayon. Dito kami sa U Palace. So pag galing kaming Danang, parang 3 hours yung biyahe namin. Nag-private private tour. So para siyang Intramuros. Pero malamig-lamig dito. Maaliwalas. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo yung palace. Sana lang worth it yung 3 hours. Let's go. Wait lang. Ayan o. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yun. Ang ganda dito. Diba? May malaking Vietnam flag. Malaking Vietnam flag. Pwede na sila sa gera. Parang Intramuros nga. Di pa ako nakapatang Intramuros masyado eh.
Ito nasubok yung gulong.
TikTok. Yan siya. Wala siyang ambag ngayon. Busy siya eh.
Sorry.
Ako na lang muna guys ha. Nalulobat nga lagi cellphone ko eh.
Ay talaga.
Buti maganda weather ngayon. Kaso nga lang malaya lang yung biyahe. Pero masarap naman dito. Masarap yung foods kanina.
Musika. Dito ka.
Babay muna ha. Ayun yung Vietnam flag sabi ko sa inyo. Ang tao. Ang laki.
Oh, a lot.
Almost 1,000.
No. How old is the king? And the last king, he only had one wife when he became king because she's the Namful one,
The powerful one.
the powerful one. She's a Christian.
Uupakan niya.
She's Christian, so in the religion, she has allowed to get one wife.
This one.
But after she died, he get married 2 more times. At that time, he's not the king
anymore.
So last king have only one wife, but after she died, she has 2 married. Over here is Queen's mother residence. Queen's mother will be here, and this one is the most special.
What's that?
Yin Tung Palace is the one made by the 12th king. The 12th king, he have 100 wives. No, not that much. I remember like more than 10 wives. But every night he cooking a boy asleep, like gay.
Honestly.
Yeah, like gay. So even he have wives, but after a very long time, he doesn't have any son.
Tinuro yung mga Ayan, yung palace.
Ông tinh thần ở bên ngoài, tôi gọi là ông tinh chủ quan.
palace. The king with many wives. Wow. Okay. Very, very nice. Okay, okay. Ayan, sakto lang yung mga tao, walang masyadong tourists. Ayan. Tingnan na yun. Yun na ba yun? Ah. Ano meron dito? What can you say? You don't know again? Oh. Saan na kami? Basta nag-park lang kami dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo. Ano to? Anong part to?
Dad, that is for the horses.
No, just kidding. It's for the horses? It's for the horses ba?
No, it's not. I don't know. Why did you lie to me?
It's a place for the horses.
Shush.
It's a mile.
It's just a random
Sorry.
dragonfly. Laos Day.
Ah. And we're back. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan eh. What is this? I don't know what this is. Ano daw to?
Ito yung French palace na ano, yung niraise niyang 30% yung taxes.
French. Ito yung mahal.
Mabuild siya.
Mukhang mahal oh.
I love raising taxes on my people.
30%. Represent.
I don't know you. Give me your money. Why not? Like
Kaya
you
pala
know,
nagalit sa
look at
kanya.
the beef food.
Nagalit sa kanya ang mga tao dahil agree siya ng 30%. Ayan o. Yan yung mahal na... ano siya eh?
Later, when she's done.
Oh, doon tayo galing ah. Lapit na, paikot na. Outlet, outlet, outlet.
The original one took 2 years to finish, from 1921 to 1923. But then it was convertible in 1947. Then we spent 5 years to rebuild. Just seem absolutely seem like the original one. They built on that so many details. We spent 5 years from 2019 to 2024 during the COVID-19. Oh, right. Just recently, huh? Yes, recently. It's a new one. It finished in 2024. 1.5 years ago. So it's very new. Why? She comes from that, from the imagination of the real lady. Stop here. Then she said that we have a man who will contribute a lot for this country and develop the country. So from that time, he built this temple or pagoda to worshiping for God. So name for it is Thiên Mu Pagoda. It means that the lady of the sky. That's the weak class of the sea.
Ano sabi? What is this area? Malabasa. Malabasa. Oh, what is this? May gitara oh. Hello there, Montai Hoa.